Welcome to our complete tutorial on NPTEL course enrollment and exam registration guide. Let's begin your NPTEL educational journey step by step. Let's understand how to enroll or join your NPTEL course, how to add ABC account ID and NPTEL local chapter on your profile page, how to add your subject teacher as mentor, how to learn all modules in every week of your NPTEL course, how to submit your weekly assignments in your NPTEL course login, and how to register for NPTEL exam of your course. Go to Google web page, type Swayam in search bar, you will get suggestions, click on first option Swayam. You will be redirected to web pages, displaying search results for Swayam, click on Swayam Central. After clicking on Swayam Central, a web page will open, swayam.gov.in, click on Sign In, Register button seen on top right corner. Make sure, before this step you have to first log in by using username and password of your college or university or personal Gmail ID and then click on Google option. Click on Google account, enable college or university email ID, or if it is not working then use personal Gmail ID to log in. Swayam homepage will open, type your NPTEL course name on search tab. After that you will see options similar to your desired course. Here, make sure that the course name should be exactly matched to the course name given by your subject teacher or NPTEL coordinator. Click on it and hit the enter button. Here, you will see your NPTEL course details. Go through the details carefully such as course name, duration, start date, end date, exam registration date etc. Then, click on join button. Here, you will be redirected to update profile page. Fill in all the details carefully, or if you already have account then check all the personal details carefully, then scroll down, you will see ABC account ID and local chapter option. Then scroll down, you will see ABC ID option. If you have ABC ID, then select, I have ABC ID, or if you do not have it, then select, I don't have ABC ID. If you select, I have ABC ID, then type here your 12-digit ABC ID number. Now scroll down, you will see local chapter option in your profile as follows. Part of Swayam local chapter? Select yes. Local chapter state, select your college or university state where it is situated. Then, in college name option, start typing your university or college name, it will appear automatically, then select it. Next, in university name option, start typing your university name, it will appear automatically, then select it. Then, choose area of your regular study such as engineering, science etc. After this, choose department of your regular course name which you are doing in college or university. If not visible, then select any relevant department. Check square boxes and click on update profile and join course. After successful enrollment, you will get confirmation email on your registered email ID. Here you have completed your enrollment process. Now, let's understand how to add your subject teacher as mentor. Log in to course using same steps as explained earlier. Click on email ID displayed on top right corner. Here, click on My Courses. Course name will appear, see your desired course and click on Go to Course button. Now, how to add mentor? Click on Mentor tab available inside the course. Select your mentor name, that is your subject teacher name, and click on Set Mentor button. As soon as student added his or her subject teacher as a mentor, then subject teacher can see mentee list option in his or her login, as you see here. Kindly note, this option is only visible in teacher's login and not in student login. Under subject teacher login, after clicking on mentee list option, all the student details will appear. By this way subject teacher can see real-time weekly assignment submission data of his or her students. Now, let's understand how to learn all modules of your NPTEL course. Follow the same login process as explained earlier. Click on email ID displayed on top right corner. Here, click on My Courses. Here, course name will appear. See your desired course and click on Go to Course button. You will see Week 1 module on left hand side. Go to Week 1 course and you will see all the modules of Week 1 course. Click on each module to watch the videos and enjoy learning. Similarly, go on watching each module video on daily basis. Let's understand how to submit your weekly assignments in your course login. After watching all the videos, scroll down on left hand side menu and click on Weekly Assignment. You will see MCQs or subjective questions under the assignment. Solve and submit the weekly assignments well before due date. Here, any number of times you can solve and submit the assignment within that week, but before the due date. Continue to watch other week modules, as soon as it will get released from your course instructor, and solve the assignment of each week. Now, let's see how to register for NPTEL exam of your course. In your course login, you will see the option, click to register for certification exam. Click on this option to get registered for NPTEL exam. New web page will open. It will be redirected to exam form portal. Here, you will see the options on left hand side. Click on personal info option, and then click on Go to Personal Info. Check all the details carefully. Then, upload your passport size photograph, scanned signature and ID proof such as Aadhaar card or PAN card. Make sure that, before upload, check the file size. It should be between 50 kilobits to 150 kilobits. Then select SC or ST category option yes or no. If yes, then attach your scanned copy of caste certificate in next option to get 50% concession in exam fees. Then, go on selecting options that you fit in, and if yes, then attach relevant scanned document. In the option for writing the exam, you should select it as no, because you are not writing the exam outside India. This option is for those who are living outside India. In the second option, select yes. Because, if you select yes, then it will be shared with local chapter account for further accountability and for your benefit. Then, select proper answer for the question asked. Check the square box and click on Save and Continue button. The next web page will open. Here, you have to add course for which you are appearing for exam. Click on Add Course button. Here, carefully select your NPTEL course name. Here, select exam day and date of your NPTEL course. The name of course will appear in next web page. Now select option, exam cities where you want to appear for the exam. The next web page will open. Here, first click on green colored edit button. You will have 3 choices here to select exam cities. Go on selecting first city preference with pin code, second city preference and third city preference. Click on confirm and save button at the bottom. The next web page will appear. Check all city preferences carefully and then click on confirm and pay button. Here, once again check all the updated personal information carefully. Then, check square box and payment mode option and click on continue to payment button. Payment checkout page will appear. Check the exam fees amount and click on pay now option. The payment gateway page will open. Check price summary, your mobile number. Then select mode of payment here, either UPI or credit or debit card, net banking or wallet option. Carefully check all entries, and click on verify and pay option. You can also scan QR code by clicking on QR code image. Here pop-up window will open. Once again check fee breakup with GST. Click on continue and pay option. Here you have done exam registration. After this, payment successful page will open and confirmation email will be sent to your registered email ID. Keep it safe for future references. Usually, hall ticket will be issued 1 week before the exam date. Hall ticket email alert and link for hall ticket download will come to your registered email ID. Regularly check your registered email ID for updates. Here you have done. Happy learning. All the best.